Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video fans and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys vibration and sound setting, means sound and vibration setting in our oppo phone. In this video guys we will talk about guys how to disable vibrate mode. So friend, your phone is vibrate and guys you want to disable it. So guys, how can you disable it? In this video I am going to show you friends. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so then first of all you can subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all open your phone setting to disable it. So I scroll it and guys you can see guys your sound and vibration setting, fans tap here, and guys you can see this type of setting. Guys click on your sound mode setting, fans tap here. So you can see guys your vibrate mode is enabled and guys you want to disable, and guys you want to on your silent mode, so guys you can on your silent mode. But guys we want to disable vibrate mode, we want to enable ring mode. So I will click on guys this ringing. So guys your phone will not vibrate and guys you can use your ringtone and notification setting guys. So as your phone will not vibrate. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable vibrate mode in our oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.